What's going on, guys? Every single day I make money online. That's actually my full-time job. I work on the internet, and in this video I want to show you exactly how you can make money online using one of the best methods that I personally use. Now with this particular method, I've actually won an award, for a platinum award, for making quite a bit of money with this particular method. And I actually have other awards as well, so it is possible to make money online, and we're going to dive deep into this through this tutorial. Now, it's actually possible to use the internet to make money online, but more importantly, you have to follow a method where you don't need like a lot of upfront cost or anything like that. So with this particular method, you don't need to go and create a product, you don't need to go and start an online store, you don't need to go and do any stuff like that. And more importantly, one of the biggest problems I see that people come across is you don't have to start your own website, okay? So you don't have to go and do any particular coding or anything like that. You don't have to spend money starting your own website. This has nothing to do with creating your own website. And this is one of the biggest roadblocks when trying to make money online. Now, what we're going to do in this tutorial is I'm going to take you through a few simple steps that you just need to follow step by step. And by the end of this video, you should know exactly how you can go and implement this exact method and potentially make money on the internet. Now, what can you expect from this video? This is going to be a quick, easy 10-minute guide showing you everything you need to know within the next 10 minutes. I like to keep my tutorials short, but show you everything that you need to know. Now, as I mentioned, I make money every single day working online. This is my full-time job, so I know exactly what's working. But do keep in mind, even though I make money online and I make over $200 per day, and a lot of other people do as well, you might not get the same results, or it could take you quite some time to actually do this because you do need to build it up. But right now, I'm going to show you one of the best ways to make money online, so let's jump in. Right, guys, so the first thing we need to do is we need to find a product to work with. Now, you can use two websites for this. You can use one called clickbank.com, or if that doesn't work in your region, you can use one called digistore.com. Essentially, these websites usually have the exact same products on them or very similar. So this will work worldwide depending on the particular site that you use. So you can use digistore.com or you could use clickbank.com. For this example, we're going to go over clickbank.com because it has a perfect product that we can use for this. But just remember, you can also use digistore.com as well. And maybe later on down the road, we will do another video showing you how you could do this method with Digistore. But let's continue on with Clickbank in this tutorial. Now, if you don't know what Clickbank is, here's a quick overview. What you do is you find products on this website and you can promote those products for a commission. Now, what we're going to do down here is we're going to click on, so this is the marketplace section after you log in, go and create your account. We're going to go to health and fitness. And what I can do is I can promote specific products for a commission. So I could click on this one and I could go and put in my username and then go generate hop link. And when I get this specific link, I copy this and I send people to this link. If they purchase a specific product, then we can actually make money from that. So this particular product, I'll just go over some quick stats real quick for people that are new to my content. This product here is a, let's just open it up real quick. This is a product where you can promote this product here. So this is a health product, right? People buy these specific bottles and you would get a commission for promoting this product. Okay, so this is in the health niche. There's all sorts of different niches. Now you would make $149 average commission from this product, and it has a gravity score, which is how many people have made money with this product in a certain amount of time. And this is your initial commission, and then there's a recurring commission that you get every single month. So if the person stays on and purchases this product every month, you'll get another $37 every single month from promoting this product. Now there's actually multiple products that you can promote that are very similar to this as well as you scroll down. But for this example, you're going to want to promote the top one with the highest gravity score. And I will show you how to make money with this particular product right now. All right, so this is how we can make some money. If we go to Google right here, and I've got a new private browser up, and we put in best fat burner, and we scroll down, we've got some ads. We scroll down, you'll see things like US Magazine. And then there's another one down here, I think it was this one here, The Islands Now. These are actually websites that we can get content on. So this is sponsored content. And we scroll down and they do the top fat burner supplements. Now you could go, I'll show you how to do this in a second, but this is what it is, the best fat burner supplements. Now we can actually get this stuff created and we could do the exact same thing that these guys are doing. If we click on this one here, the Times Union, this one here is so it says here, this item was paid for and produced by an advertiser. So this is the exact same thing. Now, the reason you want to do something like this, because back in the day, we used to use our own websites to get into Google, but now it's actually much easier to get these articles on these sites like this and use these websites' authority instead of our own, because these are extremely strong websites that we can go out and leverage to get our own content, our own affiliate links onto these websites. And these guys would be making insane amounts of money because they are at the top of Google for this specific keyword. Now here is another example here as well. Best male supplement pills. We go down, there is a bunch of websites that are very famous, well-known websites with authority. So this one here is sponsored content. Okay, now we're not going to be using this specific example in this video, but what we are going to be doing is we're going to be going out and I'm going to be showing you how you could do something very similar to this, and I'm going to show you all of the steps that you need to take. Now, obviously, it would not be a very good idea to try and target best fat burner because this is a very high competitive keyword. So what you could do is you could go to a free keyword tool like keywordtool.io, put in best fat burner, and you could target something like best fat burners for women, or best fat burner for men, or best fat burner Australia, or best fat burner UK or Malaysia or whatever, right? But there are lots of different sub keywords that you could target, and it's really important to target these sub keywords because you will not rank at the top for best fat burner because it's a very competitive keyword. So let me show you exactly the steps that you need to take to do this. So the first thing we need to do is we need to get an article, and this is very easy. I will show you how. Now you could do something like top 7 or top 5, and you could go back to Clickbank and you could pick 5 different types of products from here. Okay, and they all pay a different amount of commissions. Or if you wanted to, you could just focus on one specific pill and write content about that entire pill. But I would recommend probably doing something like this structure. So the first step you want to do is you want to go into a website called Fiverr and put in articles. So write in articles. And you are going to be able to find people who will write articles for you. So I will write an SEO blog or article for 94 New Zealand dollars. Keep in mind, this is New Zealand dollars. It's around about 60 US dollars. So let's just click on this girl's one right here, and she will write an article for you. But let's look at this, how this gig works. Shoot me a message with your ideas. Let me know if you need a custom gig page and all that stuff. And what she does is she will do SEO content. So what I recommend you do, now, there are much cheaper options you could go through as well. Just go through and have a look to find an article to get written. But let's just use her as an example because there's so many and I could show you them all, but there's no point because you can do that yourself. But let's just take this one, for example. We would go and buy this specific gig. And what I would do is I would go, hey, I would give her this article here. I would copy this and go, I want something similar to this. I would go back to here and I would show her the 5 products that I want her to write about. And then I would say, this is the keyword that I want to target. So best fat burner for women. And then they are experts at doing articles. So they should be able to come back to you with the exact article that you need. So that's pretty easy to understand, right? We tell her that we want to do articles on these specific products. You tell her that you want something similar to one of these or this one here. And then you tell her the keyword that you're targeting. And we'll just say best fat burner for women. Done. That's all the information that you need to give her. Now, once you have the article back, you probably think, well, how do I get my article on these websites? It's actually pretty simple to do, and we can use Fiverr as well for that. So what we can do is we can go to the top and we can put in featured. And what happens is we now have access to different types of media websites. Okay, some are pretty expensive and some are quite cheap. So let's just click on this one. They will post on LA Weekly, SF Weekly, and New York Weekly. So if we go and take SF Weekly, for example, and we put that into Google, we can get an article on this website that is extremely strong. Okay, so we can get an article on this website. And what I actually did is I found some examples. So if we look at this, this is the content that's getting posted, and this is quite recent. 7 top reputable dating sites. So you can see that these people are doing the same type of thing, but in the dating niche. And we scroll down and there's more. 12 best sugar dating websites. And there's lots, right? There's lots that you can actually go through, and people are paying to get their content on these websites all the time. And we also have LA Weekly, New York Weekly, and things like that. And they're actually not that expensive really in the grand scheme of things, because you should be, if you do this right, you should be able to make back your money, because we know that these specific products are selling online and people are making commissions, because this means that 1,006 people have made a commission with this. I think that's in the last 30 days or something like that. I'm not 100% sure, because it used to be 30 days, but apparently it's changed, but it's around about 30 days, and that's crazy. So we know that this particular product is selling. Now, I did actually find one on that website we were talking about where they're doing exactly what we want to do. So what I would recommend you do is, once you get that article and you want to send the article to the person that you are going to be getting the featured article on, you want to open up a Google document. Now, I got this one just here as an example. What we need to do is we need to create these affiliate links, so when people click on them in the article, they go to your thing. So let's just take this one for example and go promote, and I'm going to go create hop link. I'm going to get my affiliate link here, and I'm going to go back to here, and I just put check out the pills here. I'm going to highlight this, go to the chain link up here, and paste that link, and then go to apply. Then I'm going to send it to my featured guy, because when you get the article from the other person, it's not going to have the affiliate links in it. So copy and paste it onto here, put the affiliate links in, and then send it to the person who you're going to get to do the featured article. And this is a great way that you could go and make money online, because it's really free traffic. Although you are paying to get the article and the featured article, it's free traffic in the end, and you don't have to use your own website, and you can promote all of these products, and these guys pay you every single week into your bank account. All right, guys, don't forget to subscribe, smash that like button, tap that notification bell, and I'll see you in one of the videos on the right.